Well, my presentation of learning is called The Prayer, and my superhero is called Normal Man. Uh, so the first villain I faced during the school year was annotating books, and since the first book I had to read was the Odyssey, it was kind of hard for me because I'm not a very good reader or understanding what I read. And I had to figure out how I was going to get better, and I kind of had help, but I had to test things with reading the books Endangered and Coding Verity. So I think because of that I was able to get better, but I think the way I proved that was through Animal Farm, because I was able to understand the book the best, and I learned that the book was about the Russian Revolution, but it's portrayed as animals revolting against humans. And I learned that I had to pay attention to details, organize what was written, and I had to find a way to understand what the book was about. So because of editing, I was able to create a whiteboard presentation about the Animal Farm book. Yeah. That's my whiteboard presentation. The second villain is being an independent researcher. Since meiosis and mitosis are hard topics for me because I had to learn about them by myself, and I had to I spent a lot of time researching about what they were, what they did exactly, and basically I learned that mitosis is plant cell multiplication, and meiosis is animal cell replication. They're both very similar in the sense that they both end up with different or with multiple cells at the end. Yeah. Yeah. And those were drawings because I didn't have my infographics. And the third villain I faced was preparing, planning, organizing, and completing tasks on time, and then turning them in. I've been faced with my teachers not believing that I'm trying hard in class, or others, because it takes me longer to process information, and it's harder for me. And the only way I found that I could conquer this goal was to have something in my hand, or so I could keep something happening, so my brain doesn't stop working. And also I have to believe in myself. So I was proud of my creative work with the Congo presentation because it included my computer created artwork and my Congo spoken word video. And I think I still have to battle these villains, but I think I'm getting better. It's so good. The fourth villain was the multiple projects with deadlines, rubrics, and reflections. I had to persist through all of these because they were all hard, but I finished one before I started the next, so I think I was able to get them done. And I think the one I learned the most from is the cooking, since I learned that you have to actually prepare for all the ingredients and then cook it and then clean up afterwards. And another, I think also I was surprised and my parents were surprised that I can cook, sort of. And another project we did was to research and build a hydroponic system from scratch. And I learned that why is it sustainable at the present time? And the last villain I faced during the MPX journey was presenting in front of people. I always stuttered in my presentations because I always got really scared, and it's always nerve-wracking to stand in front of people. And then I had to take steps to overcome this villain by practicing in front of other people and my parents. And I don't think I'm completely over this villain, but I think I've become more confident. And I just have to continue practicing. We'll see. basically, in summary, I learned that MPX program that I was challenged with annotations, independent research, preparing, planning, and planning ongoing projects, and speaking in front of others. And I'm committed to improving on these feelings, and so I can conquer them. And I have to work harder. So yeah, I'm done. This video isn't done. It's happy tomorrow.
Any questions for Travis? Travis, I think that your visual was really great, very creative. What was the most challenging aspect of putting together this PoL video?
Oh, my spelling.
That's all Travis would do.
Yep. I think the hardest part about this whole thing was getting the script done, because I think I started making the video before I made the script.
Yeah.
So I had to match my video with the script, and I had to go back through all the things and decide exactly what I was going to say.
Thank you.